Merry Christmas from my family to yours. This is us on Christmas morning. Today is 25th December, and we are grateful to God. See baby Z at the back. Victor, move your hand from my face. See baby Z at the back. See Victor. Adeze with a peeled nose. See Mary. Oh, yes. Merry Christmas. We love you. Christ is the reason for the season. Yeah. So be happy. Show love because Christ is love. God is love. Yeah? See you. We are on our way to church. Merry Christmas. Thank God for keeping us alive till this day. Today being the 25th day of the month of December 2022. Chukwu aloka. Chukwu bụ onye ọlụ ebube. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Maka ahụike. Maka ahụike. Maka ihe enwe maka nchekwaba ya, maka nzube ya. Kedu nke ha na-azọ? Chineke anyị ekele gị. Ogini ngwa emefa. Nye mi ọsọ. Ya no mi Chimebuka. Ụmụazị a they are blessings. Ihe abụ ụmụaka Chukwu ji wee gọzie anyị. Ngwa, Merry Christmas. Ngwa gwazikwa ndị ya adị unu. Merry Christmas. Bye. Ka anyị jebe ụlọ ụka.
It's still fun, you know. It's corresponding inside there. Take it is our own job. Come check it. It's still fun, you know.
Merry Christmas.